Hi everyone, this is Tony here. In this short video we're going to cover the process of how to use the official smart contract to swap HEZ to MATIC in 2 simple steps. We'll see how to withdraw HEZ from the Polygon Hermez Layer 2 to the Ethereum Layer 1 and how to use the smart contract. You'll find plenty of useful links in the description below. Before we start, please remember that this video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. We'll use the ring-by testnet for this video and will only operate with test tokens. So let's jump right in. So if we go to Metamask, you'll see here we're connected to the ring-by test network. To do the swap, you'll have to be connected to the Ethereum mainnet. And you can see here in our test tokens, we have 0 HEZ at the moment. So let's move on to wallet.hermez.io and click on Metamask. We have to sign. And you can see here all my test tokens. If we go to HEZ and select withdraw, we can hit max and just click on continue and initiate withdrawal. It says withdrawal has been initiated, will require additional confirmation in a few minutes. So we hit done and just give it a couple of minutes. Okay, here we have the step 2, withdrawal is on hold. Just click finalize and hit withdraw. This will prompt a MetaMask confirmation screen where you have to confirm. Bear in mind that when you're operating in the Ethereum mainnet, this will incur in-gas fees. So we hit confirm and hit done. And now the withdrawal is just awaiting the last verification. Okay, it says withdrawn. If we check our MetaMask, we can see that the HEZ have arrived and we can move on to the second step. If you go to hez2matic.hermez.io, you'll find a link to it in the description below. Just hit connect with Metamask. And here our balance is shown. You can either input the amount of tokens that you want to convert to MATIC, or you can hit convert all. For the sake of this video, we're going to convert 100 HEZ into 350 MATIC. If we hit convert, it will prompt another MetaMask transaction screen. Remember, when you operate in the Ethereum mainnet, this transaction will incur in-gas fees. So we hit confirm, and it says HEZ token conversion to MATIC has been initiated. You can add the MATIC token to your MetaMask, just hitting add token. And it says confirm transaction, so let's check now. Here we go. We have converted 100 HEZ to MATIC. And there you have it. If you have any questions or feedback, please join our Discord server, which you can find a link to in the description below. We really appreciate your feedback to help us improve Polygon Hermez. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time.